if you think this is crazy, then you are absolutely right. Because vlogging is the new English learning trick. Hi there, I am Anisha, and if you want to really speak in English, then here's the fastest hack. Just pick up your phone and start vlogging. No pressure, no audience, nothing. Just pure practice. Sounds fun, right? Let's find out. Now, first things first. What's the problem with traditional learning? See, here's an analysis that I recently went through. 90% of learners are reading and writing in English. Yet, when it comes to speaking, there is an absolute silence. Why? The reason over here is simple. Speaking is not just knowledge, it's a skill that you need to acquire. It's simply like swimming. If you want to learn how to swim, you don't just read about it, you actually jump in the water. And vlogging does exactly that. It directly throws you in that speaking pool where you have to speak on a daily basis, which will eventually help you improve. And trust me, it's not just my opinion, I have a proof for it. So there was a case study that was conducted in Guayaquil, Ecuador. It was a 6-week research. In this, high school students were asked to vlog in English for the next 6 weeks straight. And once it was done, the results were shocking. Yes, the students were able to speak more clearly, more confidently. They made fewer mistakes. They took fewer pauses while speaking. They also told that they were able to recognize their mistakes and they were able to fix it themselves. It was like that they were their own teachers. And this is how this case study turned out to be a massive success. And that's the power of turning learners into creators. Now the question arises, why vlogging actually works? See, let me break it down for you. Vlogging or video assignments, as you can say, helps you to talk more. It helps you to notice your mistakes and even practice speaking in English outside the classroom. Okay, let's understand how this actually works with the help of a few pointers. Number one, consistency. It helps you become consistent. See, if you are vlogging for even 2 minutes daily, then you are actually practicing speaking in English on a regular basis. Number two, self monitoring. See, I know watching your own videos might feel a bit cringe at first, but eventually you will be able to recognize your own mistakes and you will be able to fix them. Number three, confidence. It helps you build confidence because you are talking to a camera. There is no audience around you. So you can speak freely, you can speak confidently. Number four, freedom. Vlogging gives you a lot of freedom. Yes, you can choose topics that you like, you want to talk about, like your favorite food, your favorite dress, what is happening around you, and so on. You can speak in your own voice. You don't have to get stuck in a certain curriculum. And number five, digital diary. Your videos become a time capsule. You can eventually, again watch those videos after a month or two and see how much progress you have made so far. And now, let's talk about how to actually vlog, how to actually start, what is the procedure behind. We will understand this by a simple step procedure. Okay? Step number one, pick your tool. Now, you can pick up your phone or a little camera that you have, it can be anything. Step number two, choose a topic. Choose a topic that you want to talk about. It can be how your weekend was or any recent movie that you have watched and you want to talk about it. Step number three, record for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, here's a little tip that you need to follow. Do not pause, do not stop. No matter if you are fumbling or if you are making any mistake, just keep on recording. Also, if you are not comfortable with the camera or with your phone, you can simply record an audio as well. Okay? Step number four, watch it back. Yes, just rewatch what you have recorded, see where you hesitated, what are the mistakes you made, and note it down somewhere so that you can work upon them. And step number five, save all the videos in a separate folder so that after 30 days or 2 months, if you want to watch them, you can watch them again and see how much growth you have got. Okay? So, what are you waiting for? It's time to stop looking for that perfect English class. Just grab your phone, hit the record button, and make English a part of your daily life. And hey, if you want to practice with real people on a daily basis, then you can do the same on the Ingvarta app. On the Ingvarta app, you get to practice with live English experts on a daily basis who help you with your English fluency overall. So, download the app today. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more such amazing content. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comments below. I will see you super soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy learning.